going again. Might be. I'm on a speed run. I'm going downhill now. My car's coming. Oh, there we go. What a lovely way to travel though. Fun, innit? I'll have to do some night riding on this for you. I can show you these lights. Oh, they're amazing. Like I said, probably because the street lights are all LEDs now, and they're like a white light. The yellow light on the halogen lights don't react with it very well. But a white light, because it's shining white light, just amazing on this bike. Right, so now I have gone 5 miles. It's nice over there. It's lovely hillsides over there. Nice living on the edge of London, really edge, 15 miles out of London, bottom side Kent. Because quite quickly get into the countryside, which is lovely. Come on girl, you can do it! 39, because I'm a fat gizzard, aren't I? Yeah, 15 stone, see? 6-year-old, 15 stone fat gizzard. Well, not really fat I suppose, but... Oh, getting downhill now. Oh, got to overtake a car, but indicate to overtake a car. Indicating. That's it, all done. Yeah, I'm still not going more than 39, don't like me. Not been, in 1 year, not been stopped by the coppers once. Copper waved to me once. She thought I was a do-good obviously on my bike, etc. Not been stopped by coppers. It's all legit anyway, they don't know how fast you're supposed to go. Oh yeah, that's a nice bike. An MTO, whatever. Catch him up. No chance of I'm doing 40, I'm doing 40. See? Look, see? 10 grand against the grand. Oh no, he's in second gear now. Look, see, he's gone. Didn't like me at all. Well, I've got a push back, I'm going to get him though. Watch this. I'll get him. He's coming up now. Hello, Mr. Policeman. There you go, policeman. I got you. Afternoon, lad! Got his earphones in, he can't hear me. Oh dear. Well, 105.9 now. That's good. Right, I'm going to stop, turn you off. Right. Just a little another short video clip on the bike, just having a bit of a laugh. You're going to have a bit of a laugh these days, there's not a lot more to laugh about, is there? I'm going to turn you off now. Tatty bye for now. Please subscribe. I'd like to get some, I think I got 40 subscribers. I think it went down 2. Right, bye bye for now.